What a beautiful stay at Casatino. Hold on, I'll look at the sign right now. Casatino, Hostal Casatino. Very, very nice guy. He didn't charge me to do laundry, so I was able to wash my clothes. Great service, cold beer. The food was amazing last night. I couldn't film it. It was a 4-course meal, I think for 12 euros. Just outstanding. The location couldn't be better. The room was excellent. Pibe Alex, I know you're almost at Salamanca. We're on our way, buddy. We're running super late. The Tenere is a beautiful bike, huh? It's perfect for this environment. So welcome to Florida Outdoor Adventures. Actually, for these few videos, it's going to be Spain Outdoor Adventures. We are heading from Jaén de Valdeón to Salamanca, Spain, where we're going to meet up with Pibe Alex from Valencia and 3 of the Morocco guys from Galicia, Alberto, Pablo, y Rubén. We're on our way, buddies. Excuse us while we enjoy this beautiful route. This view, I hate to repeat myself. It's magical, I don't know. Amazing weather, amazing views. I would say it's about, oh look at this twisty. I would say it's about 70 degrees right now. Enjoy, everybody, to my right. Totally amazing scenery. Besande, Spain. Alojamiento to the right, hotel, very nice. Could that be a nuclear power plant? If you guys know, leave me a little comment down below. What a long ride, guys, from Jaén to, I thought it was Salamanca. It's actually about 40 miles or so south of Salamanca to our meeting point where we're going to stay the night and then head off to Algeciras tomorrow. We did it. Paolo, we did it, buddy. We didn't eat breakfast or lunch either, so we need to hook up with Pibe and grab some lunch ASAP. How did he know? ¿Está bravo conmigo? ¿Está bravo?
Vamos directamente allí al lugar.
¿Qué lugar? Vamos. Ok, ok. No es aquí. Hay que ir más para allá. Dale, vamos, te seguimos a ti. Beautiful bike, Pibe. I love that color. I've never seen it anywhere. On any Yamaha. It's a matte blue, a matte dark blue, beautiful. I smell food over there in that little thing. Jamón. Yes, please be open. Raciones y ventas directas, productos ibéricos. I love productos ibéricos. This is a cool little village. Very medieval. ¿Tú hiciste check-in ya o no? No. Ah, no. Ok. ¿Ya lonchaste? ¿Comiste? ¿Almorzaste? Ok. No hemos desayunado ni lonchado tampoco, nada. Café nada más. Sí, vamos a dejar cosas, ¿verdad? Soy Pablo. Okay, we're here at the hostel.
Okay.
And the owner of the hostel, Javi, here is an ice climber and a rock climber. And he makes handmade picks, I guess, to be used with the climbers. But the only person that makes them handmade wood is Javi right there.
Tengo esta niña.
Hola. De lejos parece otro idioma.
Claro. Muy bien.
Let's take a look at Pibe Alex's beautiful motorcycle. Team Yamaha, the best.
Wife probably gets over it and no, you should have it.
So I put that.
Pibe Alex is taking us to eat lunch somewhere very special here. In what pueblo is this?
Vallejera de Río Frío.
Vallejera de Río Frío. I'm gonna order jamón and beer.
Really small. Gracias.
Oh my god. Thank you, Pibe.
Some bread.
No.
No.
Cheers.
No lo puedo resistir.
I don't know if you did better.
the best part of the day. Today, yeah.
No podía aportar más velocidad a ese pelotón o hacerlo más selectivo y bueno, ese empujoncito siempre.
Team Marruecos, made it. What's up, brother? ¿Qué pasa,
chaval?
¿Qué tal?
¿Está bien?
Bueno.
Hola.
Ahora sí estás bien, ¿verdad?
Joder.
Bueno,
Yo soy Alberto. Alejandro.
Encantado.
Hola, soy Pablo.
Encantado.
Alberto igual que tú. Tocayo.
No sé.
¿Qué pasa, Pablo? ¿Cómo estás? Pablo, ¿verdad?
Mucho gusto.
Alberto, ¿cómo estás?
¿Qué tal?
La buena o la mala.
Soy Pablo. Pablo.
Alejandro.
Claro, es una
Solamente probar.
Alberto, pero ese mapa de Rusia.
de Rusia hacia China,
Mongolia. No decía que íbamos a Marruecos. ¿De Marruecos o Mongolia? ¿Qué tú crees de esto?
¿Eh?
¿Qué tú crees que
Yo creo que están hablando por hablar, no tienen ni idea.